Morning children, today we are going to learn the chapter 3. The lesson name is Listen to My Body, written by Rohini Neelakhani. Yes, this is story about a little girl. Yes, now let us start now the reading. Yes, listen carefully. Today I am not going to school. It is a holiday. It is a holiday. Today I am not going to watch TV. There is no electricity anyway. What am I going to do? Today I am going to listen to my body. Can you hear your body? First I have to be quiet, very quiet, so that I can listen to my own body. Yes, now I can hear my breath in, out, and I can make my breath noisier. Yes, let me explain. Today I am not going to school. Here now look at the pictures. This is a small girl, little girl. She is not going to school. She is not going to school. Why? Because it is a holiday. It is a holiday. She is jump. She is very happy. Yes, here look at the picture. Nice. Next. Today I am not going to watch TV. Yes, today she is not going to watch television. Yes, okay. Yes, there is no electricity anyway. There is no electricity in her house. So she is not going to watch television. Okay. Yes. What I am going to do? Yes, so the what she will be going to do? Yes, no electricity. Yes, no television. Yes, the what she will be going to do? Yes, okay. Next, then today I am going to listen to my body. Yes, today she is listen to her body. Listen to her body sound makes. She is going to listen that. She is going to listen that. Can you hear your body? Can you hear your body means to listen to your body. To listen to your body. What the body talking about? What the body talking about? Yes, and first I have to be quiet, very quiet. Quiet means what? No, quiet means silent, no noise. ಎಸ್ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ. ಈಗ ಬಾಡಿ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಬಾಡಿ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಕೇಳುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಎಸ್, ಬಾಡಿ ಸೌಂಡ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಲಿಸನ್. ಎಸ್, the first of all, to listen to, first of all you have to be very quiet. You have to be very quiet. Okay, so that I can listen to my own body. To listen to my own body. Yes, ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಬಾಡಿ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. Okay, she is listen to my own body. Now, yes, now I can hear my breath in, out. Yes, now I can hear my breath. Breath means ಉಸಿರಾಟ ಅಂತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಉಸಿರಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ವಾ. ಎಸ್, is to breathe in, out. You take a breath. Yes, goes up and down. Yes, up and down. Yes, in and out. Yes, and I can make my breath noiser. Yes, you also listen to your breath. Yes, you sit in quietly and listen to your breath. Yes, and I can make my breath noiser. Yes, and next page. And softer. Yes. And now I can hear my heart beating. Dub 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 dub. Can I make my heart go faster or louder? Go faster or louder? Yes, by jumping up and down 20 times. Up and down 20 times. Now see, my heart is beating faster. Dub dum dub dum dub dum. Yes. And if I put my fingers on my wrist, then I can hear my pulse. Can fingers hear? And I can hear myself laughing. Ha 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 ha. Yes. Now she is breathing and softer. Yes. And now I can hear my heart beating. The heart beating sound. The heart beating sound is dub dum dub dum dub dum. Yes. You also listen to your heart beating sound. Yes. Children. Yes. Okay. Children, when you hear, no, look. Can I make my heart go faster or louder? Go faster or louder? Louder means ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಎದೆ ಬಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಂತ ಎದೆ ಬಡಿತ ಅಂತೀವಲ್ವಾ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಬೀಟಿಂಗ್. ಎಸ್, ಲೌಡರ್. ಎಸ್, ಬೈ ಜಂಪಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೌನ್ 20 times. She jumping up and down 20 times. Yes, 20 times. Children, when you will jump up and down 20 times, your heartbeat go faster. You also jump in up and down. ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನೀವು ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೌನ್ 20 times. ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ? ಎಸ್, ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಬೀಟು ವೆರಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. ಹಾರ್ಟು ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್, ಅಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೌನ್ 20 times. You also, your heart beat go faster. Now see, my heart is beating faster. Dub dum dub 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 dub. Yes, the heart beating sound. When you jump up and down, she jump up and down 20 times. And when you sit quietly and listen to your heartbeat, the heart beating sound go faster. So, go faster. Yes, dub dum dub 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 dub. The sound ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Yes, you listen your heart beating sound. Yes, okay children. And if I put my fingers on my wrist, then I can hear my pulse. Can fingers hear? Can fingers hear? The movement, the pulse means the movement caused by the regular beating of the heart. The regular beating of the heart. And if I put my fingers on my wrist, then I can hear my pulse. Can fingers hear? Here now look at the pictures. It's wrist. Yes, she's fingers on my wrist. Then I can hear my pulse. Can fingers hear? Can fingers hear? Now, and I can hear myself laughing. Laughing. Ha 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 ha. You also listen your laughing sound. And I can hear myself laughing. Ha ha.